wax on. Kadeers wax on.
Hello world, this is ML. I am back with another video blog, but this time I'll be doing an unboxing of this product called Muscle Roller Stick by Masapao. So I've been having a lot of problems as far as my knees after playing ball, and I read a few articles and websites. Usually it's your hamstring or your calf muscles that's making your knee feel sore. Some mornings I will wake up with a sore knee, and I always wonder how come. So I decided to buy this product and test it out. So this is used for your lower back, neck, thighs, hamstring, and your calf muscle. Okay, this is all on the description. Loosen tight muscles and accelerate muscle recovery, increase blood flow, and aid myofascial release. However you pronounce that. Prevent costly injuries and shorten recovery time. Solid tube with 10 reinforced plastic gears. Compact and lightweight portable size. No bending, no breaking, no squeaking. Well, it's made out of plastic. On to the unboxing. It's taped to the side. Oh, there you go. Made in China. Okay, so this feels very hard and solid plastic. I have a few people that has this, but not this particular model, and theirs is a little bit soft. So, but anyway, Masapao. So here it is. So it comes with this manual thingy. Why do we sell a muscle roller massage stick? That's all this description. I won't go into details. So here's the instruction. For your back, you can use it for your arm, for your thighs, calf, even abdomen. This shit is lit, son. So here it is. The muscle roller stick comes with a manual and the muscle roller stick. And I was wrong. This handle here is soft plastic or soft rubber, but it doesn't feel hard plastic. This is definitely hard plastic. And it comes with a strap. It comes with a strap. So I will leave a link under the description for anybody who's interested in buying one. Check it out. Click on the link. So once again, this is ML for KadeersTV. Follow me on Instagram at ML for sure. Check out the brand at DOSOS Clothing. For anybody interested in renting a home, renting an apartment, real estate, buying or selling, commercial or residential, please message me. I will leave an information and email address for anyone interested so they can email me. So once again, y'all, this is ML. Hello world, bye world. Peace.
Wax on, Kadeers, wax on, wax on, wax on, wax